Have you ever looked at an old piece of clothing and thought, this is either about to become something amazing or I'm about to completely ruin it? That's one of the reasons I love upcycling so much. Every project starts with a little excitement, little uncertainty, and a whole lot of imagination. Because you never really know where the journey is going to take you. Sometimes the idea in your head comes together even better than you pictured. And sometimes a tiny mistake changes everything in a split second. Today, I've gathered more than 50 inspiring clothing upcycle ideas that I found on Pinterest. And there is a link to the Pinterest board waiting for you in the description if you'd like to save your favorites for later. As you're watching, I'd love for you to vote in the comments by telling me the number of your favorite idea. Once one design reaches around 100 votes, I may recreate it with my own creative twist for a future video. Whether you're looking for inspiration to transform old jeans, jackets, dresses, shirts, sweaters, or thrift store finds into something completely unique, I hope this collection gets your creativity flowing and reminds you that sometimes the most incredible projects begin with something that almost ended up in the donation pile. But today's video is a little different because one of these ideas reminds me of a project I once started with complete confidence, only to have something happen halfway through that made me think I just ruined the entire thing. What happened next completely changed the finished project, and I'll tell you that story as we make our way through today's ideas. One of the things I love most about upcycling is that sometimes the project you have planned in your mind changes before you even make the first stitch. As you're looking through today's clothing transformations, I want you to imagine finding that one piece of fabric that instantly makes your heart race. Maybe you found something like that at a thrift store before, a vintage tablecloth, an embroidered curtain, or a beautiful piece of fabric that you know you'll probably never see again. That's exactly what happened to me. I found the most gorgeous vintage embroidered fabric, and from the moment I picked it up, I could already picture the jacket I was going to create. Every detail seemed planned out perfectly in my head. I couldn't wait to get home, spread everything out on my table, and finally start cutting. But the excitement didn't last very long. As soon as I measured everything, I realized something I hadn't even thought to check before buying it. The fabric wasn't nearly as large as I had imagined. It was beautiful, but there simply wasn't enough of it to make the design I had spent the entire drive home imagining. My first thought was that I'd have to put the project away until I found something similar, but deep down I already knew that was probably never going to happen. Pieces like this don't show up very often. For a few minutes I just sat there staring at it, wondering if I'd wasted my money and ruined the vision I had in my head before I'd even started. If you've ever been excited about a sewing project only to have it fall apart before the first stitch, you probably know that feeling. Before I tell you what I decided to do next, if you enjoy creative clothing transformations and upcycling ideas like these, I'd love it if you'd subscribe so you don't miss future videos. As I kept looking at that little piece of fabric, one tiny idea started forming in my mind, and it completely changed the direction of the entire project. That little idea was surprisingly simple. Instead of trying to stretch the fabric into something it could never be, I stopped thinking about making it the entire project and started thinking about making it the star of the project. Rather than covering a whole jacket with it, I carefully chose the areas that would catch your eye first and built everything else around those beautiful embroidered pieces. Suddenly, I wasn't disappointed that I had less fabric. I was actually grateful because it forced me to be more creative. The embroidery stood out so much more than it ever would have if it had been everywhere. Looking back, I realized I probably would have made a completely different jacket if I'd had more fabric, and I don't think I would have liked it nearly as much. It's funny how often that happens with upcycling. The limitation you think is ruining the project ends up becoming the reason it's special. I hope today's collection of ideas has inspired you to see new possibilities in the clothes you already own. If you're looking for fabric or clothing to use in your own upcycling projects, you'll find a link to my vintage shop in the description. I have lots of fabric available, along with clothing that's perfect for creative makeovers. You'll also find links to my upcycling tutorials and playlists in the description if you'd like even more inspiration. Thank you so much for watching. Before you go, tell me in the comments which numbered idea was your favorite. If one of them reaches around 100 votes, I may recreate it with my own creative twist in a future video. There's another video on your screen now, and I'd love to have you join me there. I'll see you there.